Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. What up? Okay, out of breath. I did a little bit of shopping, just a little bit of shopping when I went to New York. My New York travel vlog is up if you want to see what that was like. But yeah, everything I'm going to be showing you guys is from Forever 21. I didn't get a ton of pieces, so not only am I going to be trying on the items for you guys, I'm going to be showing you how I would style them. Okay, so here's what I got. First item is this is the first time I've actually hung my items up in my clothing rack for a haul. Am I professional? First thing are these cute little gray shorts. They're kind of somewhere in the middle between like lounge shorts and summer shorts. I am a visionary, you know, I do whatever I want. So I'll probably be wearing them both ways. Obviously, it's cold outside right now, so I've been wearing them just like as lounge shorts. But this could be like a cute little chill fit, you know, with a pair of shorts like this. But yeah, they're just gray and they're ribbed and they're pretty thick and they're really comfortable. So yeah, I'm not going to be showing you guys how I would style these because like it's not warm out, so I really don't have my, this is gonna sound so dramatic by the way. It's not hot out right now, so like I really don't have good inspiration for warm weather outfits. So sorry, I guess. This next piece is my favorite shirt at the moment. And that's saying a lot because I've done a lot of shopping lately, like a lot of shopping lately. It is this button up, cute little like cardigan crop top, if that makes sense. When I told my mom that I got a cardigan crop top, she was like, how's it a cardigan and a crop top, Nyra? And I was like, I don't know how to explain it to you. I got what I got, you know? I didn't make it. It is so cute. It's super trendy. Like little shirts like these are like all up and down my Pinterest boards. There's very on trend. And we're like about to go into spring. So like I'm so excited to wear this shirt more because it'll be warmer. It's just so cute. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. I love it. So I'm trying to get out of wearing jeans and black leggings with everything that I own. So I paired this the black crop top cardigan, as weird as that is to say, with these cute little camel pants from Shein. And honestly, we stand. I think this is so cute. This is like so me. I probably will button one a little bit more, but yeah, this is so, yeah, I'd probably wear it like this. This is so cute to me. A little bit of skin, but not like full on public indecency, come arrest me, sir, you know. I love this, and I love the way that these pants look on me. Like I said, they're from Shein. Shein is so affordable. We stand. Anywho, yeah, I think this is so cute together. I think the black goes well with the camo. I might actually wear this outfit tomorrow. Next, I got this long sleeve, kind of like a droop neck crop top, and it's pink. It's my favorite color. And it's really comfortable. It's ribbed. Why are rib things so popular right now? Like everything's ribbed. Yeah, it kind of droops. Like I said, the neck drops, so you have to wear a like bralette with it or not. You're gonna get demonetized. Got your nipples out, silly. For this fit, we have on long sleeve pink shirt, obviously. I have on this black bralette that I got from H&M. It is so cute. And like I said, the way that this shirt is cut, like you kind of want to wear like a bralette or like a bandeau or something, just because like it'd be too loose without this. And then I have on some black sweatpants from my favorite sweatpants plug, everybody's favorite sweatpants plug, Pretty Little Thing. I always say Pretty Little Thing like a British YouTuber, and I don't know why. Or just like a British person. Not everybody's a YouTuber. But yeah, I recently fell in love with like styling sweatpants because for most of my life, I've reserved sweatpants as like loungewear or like chill out, or like you know, like chilling, running to Walmart outfits, stuff like that, and not like actually styling them. And recently I've fallen in love with styling sweatpants because like I can be comfortable and I can make these sweatpants look cute and work for me. Oh baby, sign me up. Hand me a pin. Come on. I'll pay for the membership. That is 100% my energy. Love it. Comfort first, always. Well, except for like your birthday, you know. Okay, next we have just this basic t-shirt. It says, I am everything I need. Mwah. Chef's kiss. What a vibe, what a message. But yeah, just a cute little basic graphic tee. I've been trying to buy more graphic t-shirts just because I really don't have many. I'm wearing one, but honestly, I really don't have many. I want more graphic tees because I think they're so easy and cute to just like throw on, tie up like this, or just leave loose with a pair of sweatpants. So yeah, I want some more of those. This is so me. This is so me. This is like me on a daily, running to Walmart, might go to the movies, might go to the mall. Lately my boyfriend and I do like a lot of window shopping. Like we love to just like drive around to like Walmart, Home Goods, Ross, the mall, and just like window shop, well, and real shop, for like hours at a time. This is so like the perfect chill outfit, just like throw it on. I still look cute, and I can just go. I am the queen of taking a basic modest t-shirt and tying it up to show off my stomach. Cause like, I'm not gonna look this good forever, you know? And last is one of my favorite items that I've bought recently. Like I said, I've been doing a lot of shopping, so like that's a big deal. It is this bodysuit, and it's like square neckline with like little frilly shoulders. Oh my God, so cute, to die for. All this stuff is like pink and like red. Valentine's Day haul. Valentine's Day is actually tomorrow. But yeah, it is so cute. Like this, and it looks good on me. Like wait until you see me try it on. It looks, I can't put into words how good that this looks on me. It makes my body look phenomenal. And like, that's not hard to do. I mean, look at me. But like, no, seriously, it's just so good. It's so good. The material is bomb. It's ribbed. Everything's ribbed nowadays. I said this in a Pretty Little Thing haul too. I was like, everything is ribbed. Like, is that a trend? Like what? Why is everything ribbed? Who, me? Nothing. Just wearing the most flattering shirt in the world. So flattering, so cute. I styled this with a pair of just like mid-rise ripped light jeans. These are my favorite jeans in the world right now because no reason, you know. I just love them. They're just comfortable. Why do you think? Look at my freaking body in these. I love this outfit. I probably will be wearing this outfit tomorrow, no joke, because wow. Like, do you see me? Get it. Come on, get a good look. Get a good look, people. I mean, literally, look at this. But yeah, this, I styled really simple because I really like this shirt to be the standout. I probably wouldn't pair this with anything like, you know, too crazy. I always wear a lot of jewelry, so I'd probably pair this with like some more bracelets and like a really dainty little gold or silver necklace. Probably gold with this because gold and red together, chef's kiss. But yeah, I probably pair this with things that are fairly simple just because this shirt to me is the spotlight, I tried to say spotlight and highlight at the same time. I don't know English, yo solo puedo hablar en español, por favor. Solo español, por favor. I said that the black shirt was my favorite shirt, but I lied. This is my favorite, cause look at me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then go ahead and leave me a like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye.